Hi, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to edit sunset filter using Lightroom Mobile, and this is before and after using this preset on some sample photos. First, go to Light. Exposure to 0.40. Contrast to 10. Highlights to 29. Shadows to -61. Whites to -100. And blacks to -69. Next, go to Curve. In this preset, just set the white curve. And I've made these curves before. You can pause this video to make them. You can also get these presets for free. Just find password in this video. Next, go to Color. Vibrance to -20. And Saturation to 31. Next, go to Grading. For shadows, hue to 38. Saturation to 24. And blending to 100. For highlights, hue to 27. And saturation to 17. Next, go to Color Mix. For red, hue to 40. Saturation to 26. And luminance to 26. For orange, hue to -21. Saturation to 12. And luminance to -10. For yellow, hue to -100. Saturation to -26. And luminance to 23. For green, hue to -100. Saturation to -100. And luminance to -30. For aqua, saturation to -74. And luminance to 13. For blue, saturation to -74. And luminance to -6. For purple, saturation to -100. And luminance to 37. For pink, saturation to -100. And luminance to 34. Next, go to Effects. Clarity to 29. Anti-haze to 9. Next, go to Detail. Noise reduction to 29. And color noise reduction to 50. And last, go to Optics. Turn on Remove Chromatic Aberration. And done. You can copy these preset settings and paste them on other photos. And you can also adjust it again, according to your wishes. Okay, I hope you like this preset, and see you in the next tutorial.